To work drugs. He passed away. Started something like that. Everybody started taking pictures of their phones. We go to a disco. Okay? All you hear is then we put a flash off, we would all sit down, and then the teacher would go like this, and he goes to the place. Tongue hits it, it makes that your back out.
So it's true when he says that it's his tongue's too short?
No, he's relaxing his tongue, so it's going, sucking it back in his throat.
Right?
That happens.
But his tongue's really sweet. I should get earplugs. Feels like it's a thing. How long has this camera been going?
I have a memory card.
Huh?
I have a memory card.
Oh,
You know, these at the Halloween store, they make them like, you put like blends in with your shirt, maybe like someone stabs you in the back with a knife. You get like one of the real good ones. You get a makeup artist that does Hollywood makeup for horror movies. Get good, like cut them in the bag. They're like, you gotta put just like a on YouTube, you know? Like, some of them like driving around in the city and messing around with people or something. I want to make videos and put them on Facebook.
If you go on YouTube and type like sleep apnea or sleep something, you'll see all the studies that apnea,
it's like a syndrome or
it's a condition.
it's a condition?
Yeah.
Is it lethal?
No.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah.
Contagious.
Is it contagious? Can it be passed on to another person genetic-wise?
No.
Imagine if you're any other baby or you're mentally distraught like that. And you know how to
You aren't so much medicine. You wake all the time.
the kid would start to imitate his first words.
I wonder what he's going to look like. That'd be cool. Oh, I wonder what my kid would look like. But I'm not eligible enough to have one, so fuck it. Many names if it's a girl.
You wanted to, if it was a boy, one of the names they could be using is Jacob Anthony. For the my ex-boyfriend, the one who gave me the ring, his real name is Jacob Anthony. You know, I'm not a big ring.
What's your name?
So it's thinking of Claire, Addison, Shiloh,
Chlamydia.
Chris, Yes, no square. But shallow till darkish.
Hyman.
What?
Hyman.
Darkish.
Dude, Hyman. Lauren. No, she's a girl named Hyman. Oh, Hyman.